Easiest way to earn free PayPal money for beginners. Did you know that PayPal, which is one of the biggest online payment gateways in the world, handles payments of over $10 billion for nearly 500 million customers every single year? PayPal makes its funds by taking commissions on payments, but they have also got methods that can help us, the users of PayPal, make money. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it is true, and in today's video, we are going to show you the best ways that you can earn money using PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where you can find the best methods to make money using different platforms online. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado, let's start making money. Many reliable channels provide simple home-based online employment, with PayPal as their principal payment option. PayPal does not usually offer you free money. Instead, there are numerous sites and apps where you can earn money for free and have it deposited into your PayPal account. As a result, you can utilize your PayPal account to earn money from various websites and apps. First up is Survey Junkie. You can take online surveys with Survey Junkie. They have one of the best survey communities accessible. You can earn anything from $1 to $50 for completing a survey with them. They have a solid reputation around the world for assisting individuals in earning extra money, providing cutting-edge services, and connecting people with surveys based on their skills. You can do surveys of the brands you use every day, which means you will have no trouble filling out the survey. Creating a profile with them is simple. All you need to do is put in your personal information and answer several questions to identify which demographic you belong to. This is critical because they will send you questionnaires based on what you chose and answered. Number 2 is Swagbucks. It is a website and smartphone app that allows you to make PayPal money without putting in much effort. They pay you to browse the internet, shop online, play games, view videos, and complete surveys. Many people earn $300 per month from this without putting in much effort. They give you $5 simply for verifying your email address. Plus, you get a $3 referral bonus for every person who signs up using your link. And you get 10% of their earnings forever. Overall, Swagbucks is a simple way to get PayPal cash quickly. It was founded in 2008, and it now has over 20 million members and has paid out over $250 million in prizes alone. There are over 20 ways to generate money using them. You can choose any based on your preferences and skills. Next up is Ibotta. If you're wondering how to acquire free PayPal money quickly, this is the place to look. It is an online shopping software that offers clients points and money for making supermarket purchases. There are several advantages to using the app, including a $10 enrollment bonus and the ability to link your loyalty cards and accounts, if available. You can download its app and install its web browser extension. All you have to do is explore the app before shopping. Then click to add the offers you want to take advantage of. You will find numerous discount codes and bargains on the products you want to buy on Ibotta. In addition to all of this, they provide consumers free PayPal money. You'd be surprised to learn that they provide cash back at over 500,000 online and in-store retailers, including grocery stores, bars, and liquor stores. At number 4, we have MyPoints. In terms of earning free money through PayPal, this tool is pretty similar to Swagbucks. They give you alternatives such as phone shopping from your favorite retailer, taking surveys, playing games, checking emails, and much more. Deals and coupons from well-known retailers such as Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, Target, and others can be found here. Earnings can be redeemed for gift cards, PayPal money, or travel miles. You get points for each work you complete. The money is credited to your PayPal account after up to 5 days, and you can withdraw the money once you have earned a minimum of $5. The wonderful thing is that they give you a $10 Amazon or Visa gift card once you spend $20 at any online business. It could be an ideal platform for you if you have free time, such as while driving from work to home and you enjoy scrolling through your phone. It can be a terrific way to put your time to good use while earning a reasonable wage. Following MyPoints, we have Rakuten. If you're seeking for legitimate ways to obtain free PayPal money immediately, Rakuten could be your first stop. It's a cashback software and website that pays customers for doing their shopping online. It was originally named as Ebates and is a massive Japanese corporation. The best thing is that you can also get up to 40% off at over 2,500 stores. Isn't that amazing? Up next is Inbox Dollars. This is an app and website that allows you to earn points for performing internet actions such as buying, viewing movies, taking surveys, playing games, surfing the web, or signing up for offers. They also provide a $5 welcome bonus and a minimum cash out of $30. It is one of the most reputable websites and allows you to make PayPal money simply by reading emails. That's quite fantastic. All you have to do is click and read the compensated emails they send you to earn money. The advantage of this platform is that it provides simple ways to make money with less difficulty than other sites, and you can begin as soon as you register an account. Moving on, we have Prize Rebel. Although there is no registration incentive on Prize Rebel, it is a terrific way to earn PayPal cash. It is a free website that pays users for taking online surveys. You may register with them in a matter of seconds. You can complete the surveys to gain points that can be redeemed for PayPal cash. Prize Rebel also offers other jobs such as completing offers, playing games, and watching films. But surveys are your greatest hope for getting money with them. The more you use the website, the higher your level, which will help you earn more money, and it will start displaying better offers. Aside from the other methods of earning, you can also earn by introducing it to your friends and family members. They have a variety of payment methods. The points you earn can be turned into cash, Visa gift cards, and other rewards, and all of them are a great way to earn money from PayPal right away. After that comes Mistplay. Earning money by playing video games seems to be a dream career. This is one of the simplest ways to acquire PayPal cash quickly since you are paid to play games on Mistplay. It is an excellent opportunity for those who enjoy and excel at playing video games. It is a legitimate website with over 140,000 good ratings on the Google Play Store, implying that this platform is secure and can be completely relied on. This software is exclusively available for Android smartphones. There's no iOS versions. As you play games and complete in-game milestones, you earn points that can be redeemed for gift cards, including PayPal Cash gift cards. If you want to make more money with it, you should first download the app, then download and play games from it. This way you can earn free PayPal money. They claim to have already paid more than a whopping $16 million. And now we have user testing. If you enjoy web surfing, this is the best platform for you because you get paid to submit comments on websites. You can open a free account with them. Once you do, you must visit several websites on a regular basis to earn money. You must visit a website, do the prescribed tasks, and then provide comments on the user experience. One assignment may take between 10 and 20 minutes to complete. There are many developers who are willing to pay customers to test their websites. It is a reputable website that has worked with multiple major corporations, including Adobe and Walmart. The good news is that they pay $10 for each completed work via PayPal 1 week after completion. All you have to do is watch the video, visit a website, do tasks, and record the feedback video to finish the work. And if you want to earn money instantly, we would recommend Respondent. Respondent differs from other websites as in that you will answer questions as though you were in a concentrated forum. It is not a survey site. Instead, you must construct a profile with a few data about yourself so that the customer can analyze and match your profile to one of its target groups. By applying, you can also select the many respondents areas. The sessions are normally 15 minutes long and can go up to an hour. All you have to do is answer questions to earn roughly $125 each hour. Obviously, you must devote more time, and the task is more extensive when compared to other survey sites, but the rewards are equally substantial. Your earnings are deposited to your PayPal account, where you can withdraw them whenever you wish. And for the last method to earn money online for today's video, we have Grindabuck. This tool provides you with different ways to earn prizes in exchange for spending time completing the assigned online activities. They provide 15 different ways to earn money while sitting at home, including watching movies, conducting surveys, auditing promos, completing micro tasks, sampling new things, and much more. If you accumulate enough through Grindabuck points, you can convert them for free PayPal money, cryptocurrency, Amazon gift cards, Visa, or Walmart. The offers aren't particularly appealing, but it has reasonable cash out restrictions, such as requiring only $10 for the initial withdrawal. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can convert them to PayPal cash and withdraw them quickly. The minimum withdrawal amount increases with your level. When you reach the gold level, the minimum withdrawal amount is $1. The best thing is that they provide its members 100 Grindabucks only for signing up. This company was founded in 2014, and since then, it has awarded over $500,000 to its users. Having said all that, we suppose you are all ready to start earning money from PayPal now. Which one of these sites will you use? Let us know in the comments below. We will see you in our next video. Until then, goodbye!